This video explains how to set up fully automatic barcode readability inspection. Open the print templates. There are 2 print templates here. The first print template contains 2 barcodes. The second template contains 3 barcodes. The inspection template will automatically identify the number of barcodes and perform barcode recognition. Return to the BEL-C interface. Add a barcode recognition module. Set the barcode recognition box to cover the entire label. Start configuring the inspection properties of the barcode recognition module. Click Advanced. Set the barcode quantity to 0. After this change, the fully automatic barcode readability inspection setup is complete. Start the inspection template. Enter the printing interface. Submit 1 print job for each print template. Return to the inspection interface. The barcode readability verification is successfully completed for both labels with different numbers of barcodes. Expand the inspection results of the label. The contents of all barcodes are accurately decoded. This concludes the setup of fully automatic barcode readability inspection.